This is the Fendt 1167, the newest addition here on the farm. 673 horsepower, 116 gallons per minute hydraulic flow, 16.2 liter MAN engine. This thing is a beast. Sitting beside Versatile, down to one Versatile Delta Track now, traded this on the other one. Was thinking that this was actually going to be quite a bit smaller than the Versatile. It is shorter, you do sit a little bit lower, but it is big. It's wider, tracks are taller, a couple of big machines. I've had it plugged in for a few hours now. I say we fire it up. It's nice getting into this tractor, steps are low compared to the Versatile. Steep ladder, and then everyone knows the door. I don't mind the door. A little bit trickier getting in, but this is actually pretty nice. Got all our monitors in here. This is going to be our seeding tractor. In 1 month's time, snow will go fast. Let's get some lights on. Let's see how bright this can get. Shut him off. Can't see anything. That's better. So I guess starting off right at the start, it has the Fendt CVT transmission, the continuously variable transmission. So there's no range changes. So that means you can go as fast as you want. You can go super slow, 65 feet in an hour, up to 25 miles an hour. So that'll be really nice for seeding. You can seed at 4.3, you can seed at 4.5 miles an hour, you can do whatever you want. With the Versatile, we were kind of stuck in between gears. It was either 4.3, which was a little too slow, and the next one gear up was about 4.9 or 5. There's nothing really in between. So this Fendt CVT transmission will be nice for that. Obviously it's weighted right up. It's got that big monoblock in front, the weight 2,000 kg on the front. It's got lots of weights in the track. I think it has the most it can have. It might be able to have one more on the back rear drive wheel, but it's weighted right up. This front idler weights has 9 weights on each side for a total of 36. So it's got a lot of weight there. A lot of these, the max amount of these undercarriage weights. So there's 16 on the outside, 16 on the inside. So that's on both sides. And I think you can have one more, maybe, I think you can have a little bit more weight on the back here. I'm not exactly sure, still learning the ins and outs of this tractor. But it is weighted right up, so just over 59,000 pounds, which is very similar to the Delta Track, but the Delta Track doesn't have any weights. They just come heavy. They're just a heavy tractor. They, you know, fuel tanks, all steel. It's just a heavy, heavy built tractor. So look at that track comparison. both 36-inch tracks. It's quite a bit, the track goes quite a bit higher. I didn't expect that. I think this is the Extreme Ag heavy duty track. Quite a bit bigger lugs. Lots of hydraulic remotes, lots of flow. There's the pivoting drawbar to help with steering. So this hitch will actually move, help with cornering with your implement. Also has a load leveling suspension, so the front will either raise or lower for better weight distribution, just depending on what you're pulling. So for maximum traction in the field. Okay, let's get out of the shop here. Go for a spin. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Right now I'm in joystick. Push it forward, you're gonna go forward. Still learn the ins and outs of everything. Pull it back. You're gonna stop. Go in foot pedal mode. Go to say you want to go forward. There we go. Foot pedal mode on. Just like a gas pedal. Speed that up. Now we're cruising. How else are you supposed to know how to drive it? Or take it for a burn? Really good visibility. Hood feels massive. Feels wide. See how the 2-track handles the ruts that I made when it was soft. I tried to smoothen it out with the bucket. Pretty smooth in here. Frozen, so it doesn't make much of a track, much of a ridge. We got the John Deere auto steer in here, along with that in this tractor. See how that does seating? It's the same system kinda as what's in our combine. So this is the Gen 4 4640 monitor, but with a 7000 receiver on the roof. I'll get out of the bin yard and get back to by the shop and try to grab a line. Get some of this set up. Quite a bit of snow still out there, but it'll go quick. We got a month till seeding, so I'm gonna get going on getting stuff ready. CVT is nice. I'm literally going 1 mile an hour, 1.2. Let's try to go 1.8. That's good. Set a line here. Hey, it works. test it out. Let's go around the shed. Pick up a line on the east side of the shed. So much ice. It had some warm weather, and then it melted, so it was all wet. Then it's been cold for the last 2 weeks, so it's frozen. So now it's just ice everywhere. Looks like a lot of snow still to go snowmobiling, but it's so like crusted that it wouldn't be very good. Nice. Let's see if this busts through this ice here, or if it's solid. That's solid. Not smooth. A couple shakes in the cab that I have to address. It is actually really smooth. One major difference when driving is it doesn't articulate, so when you turn the wheel and you turn and you let go of the wheel, it's gonna want to keep going straight, so you have to keep your hand on that wheel and keep turning around a corner. In the articulating tractor, you can spin that wheel, get that tractor to articulate, pivot, and then let your hand off and it's still gonna turn. So that's just one thing you gotta get used to. Well, I've done a few things on the monitor. I had to add the drill in, like client, farm, field, stuff like that. I think a lot of it is added in once the drill is hooked up, and then stuff is sent to the John Deere, and it's sent, signals sent to the X35 and stuff like that. So I'm kind of limited on stuff I can do right now. Still trying to figure out the Fendt screen. It's the same as the sprayer, so a little bit familiar with that. Just a couple things are different, so I have to play with that. But yeah, it is a nice tractor. There's going to be a lot of videos seeding in this thing this spring, so pretty excited to get this guy in the field. 1 month, and it is seeding time. I'm going to put this back. Oh, I was going to put fuel in. Let's do one more lap. Let's put some fuel in. And just creep along. Forward or reverse. This would be nice for hooking things up. Just barely moving. Okay, my test drive's over. I'm gonna park this back in the shed. That was fun. A little overview of the new tractor. Hook it up to the drill soon. Get that drill spun around and unfolded in the shed is the next task. Thanks for watching. See ya.